Strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lorraine Harbor to Vermilion, blowing east at 80 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and breach higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Lorraine Harbor and Vermilion. Wednesday. The special marine warning.
Don't you want to give me a chance? Holy crap!
Eastern Daylight Time. The affected areas were near shore and open waters from the islands Ohio to Avon Point, Ohio. The thunderstorms had moved out of the area and no longer pose a significant threat to boaters. A special weather statement for the following county: Lorraine, Ohio,